Hello YouTube family, welcome back to a new video. So today we have the Hero Xtreme 160R. This is a white variant with a double disc. I have already done a video on this motorcycle, that was a rear drum variant, where I have explained each and every specification of this motorcycle. If you have not watched that video still, I will provide a link up here in the I button. Do click and watch that video. As I said earlier, the rear wheel has 220mm pedal disc brake. The ex-showroom price of this variant in Bangalore is 1,03,600. Do visit the Hero showroom for more details.